Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Amazon Prime Video app on Windows 10. This is a great way to watch your favorite shows and movies directly from your desktop without needing to use a web browser every time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to apps.microsoft.com. This is the official Microsoft Store website where you can find all available apps for Windows. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean interface designed to help you discover and download applications. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type Prime Video. This will pull up all related results for Amazon's streaming service. Make sure you're typing it correctly to get the right app in your search results. From the search results that appear, look for the option labeled Prime Video for Windows and click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can see more details about the application, including its features, user reviews, and system requirements. It's always good to verify you're selecting the official app to ensure security and functionality. Once you're on the Prime Video app page, you'll see a download button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click Download. After clicking, the download process will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes, so just be patient while the file downloads to your computer. After the download completes, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser where you'll find the Download section. This is typically represented by a download icon or arrow. Click on it to view your recent downloads. You should see the Prime Video installer file listed there. Next to the downloaded file, you'll see an option that says Open. Click on it to launch the installer. This will start the installation process for the Prime Video app on your Windows 10 system. A new window will appear with an Install button. Click Install to proceed. The installation wizard will now work to set up the app on your computer. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't have to wait long before the app is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Amazon Prime Video app on your Windows 10 computer, and you can now start streaming your favorite content directly from the app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.